Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 5959, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 5959? What's the symbolism of 5959? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 5959 mean for love? What does 5959 mean for twin flames? What does 5959 for manifestation? How does angel number 5959 affect finances? What does 5959 mean for former relationships? How does 5959 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 5959? What are the weaknesses of angel number 5959? What's the meaning of angel number 5959? Angel number 5959 signals a transformative period where spiritual evolution and life changes go hand in hand. The repeated fives represent personal freedom, growth, and life lessons, while the nines reflect endings, wisdom, and a deeper spiritual purpose. Together, they indicate that old cycles are closing so that new, more meaningful ones can begin. This number encourages you to release limiting beliefs or outdated routines and to trust that these shifts are aligned with your soul's growth. It's a sign that your life path is being realigned with your higher self, and divine guidance is close at hand. What's the symbolism of angel number 5959? Symbolically, 5959 reflects a dual journey of transformation and spiritual completion. The 5 represents change, adaptability, and new experiences, while 9 represents closure, humanitarianism, and enlightenment. This number often appears during times of emotional or life transitions, urging you to let go of the past and embrace a more authentic version of yourself. It also carries a message of higher purpose, reminding you that endings are not failures but stepping stones. Angel number 5959 symbolizes liberation from outdated patterns and an invitation to step into your true calling with confidence, faith, and clarity. What is the angel number 5959 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 5959 is a powerful sign of awakening and completion. It suggests you are being called to release karmic ties, soul contracts, or behaviors that hinder your spiritual evolution. The repeating nines emphasize your role in service to others, while the fives highlight the personal changes needed to align fully with your soul mission. This number encourages you to trust your intuition, seek wisdom from past experiences, and move forward as a light worker or guide for others. It is a call to raise your vibration, deepen your faith, and fully embrace your divine life path. What does the angel number 5959 mean for love? In love, angel number 5959 suggests transformation and emotional release. If you're in a relationship, it may signal a phase where you must let go of unhealthy dynamics or evolve together into a more spiritually aligned partnership. If single, this number indicates that healing and closure from past love are essential before attracting a new connection. The presence of nines calls for emotional maturity, compassion, and letting go of outdated beliefs about love. True connection must align with your personal growth and spiritual truth. 5959 ultimately points to relationships that support liberation, healing, and higher consciousness. What does angel number 5959 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, 5959 represents a critical phase of inner transformation and potential separation for spiritual growth. It may signal the end of a karmic cycle or healing period necessary before reunion. The number 5 speaks to the turbulence and personal shifts often required on the twin flame path, while 9 highlights soul completion and alignment. This number suggests that both twins may be learning hard lessons about self-love, ego, and spiritual purpose. Reunion is possible, but only if both individuals evolve independently and honor the spiritual mission behind the connection. Trust the timing and divine orchestration of your union. What does angel number 5959 for manifestation? Angel number 5959 encourages manifestation through spiritual alignment and intentional release. The angels are telling you that in order to manifest your desires, you must first let go of what's holding you back, be it fear, outdated goals, or unhealthy. The 5 support change and creativity, while the 9s highlight the need to close chapters before new ones can flourish. This is an ideal time to clarify your values and align them with your manifestations. Stay focused on purpose over possession, and you'll find that what you truly need will appear in surprising and divinely timed ways. How does angel number 5959 affect finances? Financially, 5959 suggests a shift in your money mindset and habit. It may indicate the end of a financial phase, such as clearing debt, changing careers, or re-evaluating material goals. The 5s encourage adaptability and resourcefulness, while the 9s focus on wisdom and release. You may be guided to align your finances with higher values, choosing purpose over profit or letting go of money worries tied to the past. Abundance is possible, but it will come through conscious transformation, not shortcut. This number reminds you that financial well-being is about flow, trust, and purposeful alignment with your true path. What does angel number 5959 mean for former relationships? Angel number 5959 brings closure and healing regarding former relationship. The number suggests it's time to forgive, release emotional baggage, and accept that certain connections were meant to teach, not stay. The 9s carry the energy of endings and compassion, while the 5s represent personal growth and liberation. You're being guided to honor the lessons and let go of any lingering resentment or longing. Emotional freedom is key now. Whether you're grieving, healing, or simply reflecting, this number signals the end of a chapter and the opening of a new, wiser, and more emotionally aligned phase in your life. How does angel number 5959 guide your work life? In your professional life, angel number 5959 signals a turning point. You may feel a pull toward work that is more fulfilling, spiritual, or humanitarian. The 5s reflect career changes, while the 9s call for alignment with purpose and legacy. It could mean leaving an old job, starting a new venture, or rethinking your definition of success. You are encouraged to embrace your gifts, serve others, and make career choices that nourish your soul, not just your wallet. The angels urge you to trust that these changes, while uncomfortable, are leading you toward meaningful contribution and personal growth. What are the strengths of angel number 5959? The strengths of angel number 5959 include adaptability, inner wisdom, spiritual awareness, and emotional intelligence. People aligned with this number often possess a strong moral compass and are guided by empathy and intuition. They are capable of navigating change with grace and using their experiences to grow. Their ability to release the past and focus on spiritual truth makes them natural healers, mentors, or leaders. They can inspire others through compassion, insight, and resilience. This number's energy supports independence, truth-seeking, and the ability to transform setbacks into growth opportunities, making them uniquely powerful during times of transition and reinvention. What are the weaknesses of angel number 5959? Despite its spiritual depth, 5959 may also bring challenges like emotional heaviness, fear of endings, or indecisiveness. Those influenced by it might struggle to let go of the past or resist necessary change. The double 5s can cause restlessness, inconsistency, or impulsive behavior, while the double 9s may lead to excessive self-sacrifice or difficulty establishing boundaries. There's also a risk of becoming too introspective, avoiding practical matters in pursuit of spiritual ideals. This number's energy can feel intense during major life shifts, so grounding, clarity, and self-compassion are essential to navigate its more challenging vibrations.